Learn with Fun channel. We all know Christmas is around the corner. So kids, today I am come with this beautiful Christmas tree for you. So kids, are you ready to make this beautiful origami? Come with me.
Let's start making paper Christmas tree. Making stem of the tree. Now we make tree holder with the help of disposal glass. From bottom of the stem we cut like this to support. Now let's start decoration of the tree. Now we attach the stem also. And balls and bells. Now our beautiful tree is ready for Christmas. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye-bye.